What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, when it comes to meme coins, I think meme coins are more important in the market than a lot of people think. A lot of people will move towards things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB. And while I do have a large portion of XRP, a large portion of, ADA, or even a bigger portion of Solana and things like that, I also have other plays that are meme related that really don't have any type of use case to them, but could potentially have a use case depending on the strength and the growth that we could see within that position. So, with that being said, I invest into some meme coins. So, let's talk about the top 5 meme coins that I think you should watch in 2024 and 2025. And before you get into this and kind of count 3 of them out or 2 of them out, because you look at, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe, and you know that they're going to be on there. These are not on the list. I look at those as plays that are definitely up there, that are definitely they've had that strength already. And I think there's other ones that can provide a lot more strength. And Pepe, I think, still has a chance to run quite a bit. And I think Dogecoin will be worth hundreds of billions of dollars or $100+ billion, as well as Shiba Inu being worth, up there in the tens of billions of dollars. And grow a lot further. Hopefully, it can go up to hundreds of billions of dollars, but I would imagine it's going to get up to tens of billions. But then when it comes to other things like Pepe, I believe that's going to be worth up there and maybe the tens of billions of dollars as well. But when it comes to a lot of other things, we want to understand the growth of where they could be based on the amount of hype and attention that they are seeing and they will see in 2024. So these are 5 meme coins that are on the list for meme coins to kind of blow up a little bit. And yeah, I think that's it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to, follow me on Patreon, that link is down below, as well as my link for Margex if you want to start trading things like Shiba Inu or Pepe, or even Dogecoin. Over on there, you could trade with leverage. I believe 25x leverage on each of those, up to 25x leverage. But you can trade 5x leverage. Like currently, I'm trading, I believe, 5x leverage on Dogecoin. So if I go over to my Margex account, I'm trading Dogecoin right here, and I'm trading at an 8x leverage, and currently up $67 or 77% on that position, and I'm trading at an 8x leverage. Now, these are risky plays. You obviously want to, understand trading and swing trading and all of that stuff before you do dive into these things. But Margex has been a great platform for me, and I'm sure it will be a great platform for you. Just don't get greedy. Make sure you stay disciplined. Don't like lose a little bit of money and then go, you know what, I'm done, and take $200 and just throw it at a 100x leverage. That would be ridiculous for you to just throw it into something without actually doing research or looking at the chart and understanding if it is at the low or the high, depending on what you're doing, if you're shorting or if you're, buying long. But let's get into what we're talking about here, which is meme tokens, meme coins. If we look at the meme coin market, the meme coin market is worth $21.5 billion. Majority of that coming from things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, while also having others that are worth maybe hundreds of millions of dollars. And then it does fall off pretty quickly because as you see the top meme coins that are there, it starts to fall off and you see 100 million, 142 million, and then it drops down to 88 million. Then it drops down to 20 million and 10 million and single digit millions, right? So you see a lot of different meme coins and some that may have dual features, right? It may be a meme coin, but then also is doing so much more on the utility side, kind of like a Floki or TokenFi, right? You have a lot of utility with it, but it is a meme coin based on, a meme. But the meme coin market definitely has a lot of volume, has a large market cap, 21.5 billion. I'm seeing $1.9 billion worth of volume throughout these places. So it definitely shows that meme coins are big. Now, when it comes to being the top meme coins, you look at Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bonk, Pepe, those are up there. And I think there's only one that's in the list that kind of brings me into the start of my list. There's only one within the list in those top four that I wanted to talk about as a top meme coin for 2024 and 2025 because it hasn't had that blow up yet. And I guess you can say Pepe hasn't really had that blow up as well, but I'm excluding that from the list. Bonk is one of those that I feel like still has a large chance to run very, very far. Why? It is a Solana meme coin. I feel like Solana meme coins have been it. Um, so far in 2024, they have been it. We see Bonk that has already run to about a $2 billion market cap, currently sitting at a $750 million market cap, showing its ability to quickly get up there and be worth that much, as well as go a lot further with Solana overall and meme coins overall. I feel like with 63% of the volume, it doesn't really provide much dilution within it. While you still have some form of dilution, it doesn't really provide much dilution, meaning that you're not going to see this get hit hard by a ton of dilution there, which is definitely a big deal. But honestly, I've been looking at Solana as one of those major players within the meme coin space with a lot of volume. I currently have about $200 worth of Bonk, and I might end up buying a little bit more as time goes on. And I think right now is honestly a better price than where I purchased it at, which was 0.000018. So it was definitely up in the higher levels. While it did go higher than that, I did purchase at kind of a higher level or maybe mid-tier level, let's say. But currently sitting at a level of $750 million market cap definitely shows a lot of upside. Another play that I wanted to talk about is one that actually doesn't show up on the list, and I invested a lot of money into, which would be Grock. Grock, I believe, is a play right now. It's sitting at about 42% of a penny. And this is the lowest point that it has been since listed on CoinMarketCap. Before that, I believe it was a little bit lower if you go to like Dex Tools and places like that. But this is the lowest point that it has been since listed on CoinMarketCap. So definitely looking at a lower point in the rough area. I feel as though this is going to be worth a lot. Now, it all depends on how you feel. I'm not going to say that you go and buy any of these positions just because I am talking about it, but I have invested $7,000 into Grock overall because Grock is a great play. For me, I feel as though it has a lot of popularity based on Twitter, based on the connections with Elon Musk, and based on anything that does happen with the Grock AI chatbot. I feel like Grock is just going to be a game changer. I currently have 1,000,000 Grock, meaning that if this finds a way to get to a $6.9 billion market cap, then I have $1,000,000 from this Grock position. Now, if it does find a way to go lower, I'll find a way to gather another, million. Like if it gets down to 0.001, which would be great. If it does get down there, then I will find a way to invest in another million because I do feel like this still has a ton of strength with a lot of markets. This is one of those meme coins that you didn't expect it to have 34 different markets or 34 different pairings and have the potential to be listed on some of these these larger tier one exchanges. And you haven't seen those tier one exchanges. You see MEXC, you see Gate.io, but you don't see a KuCoin, you don't see a Binance, you don't see a Coinbase and things like that, or Kraken. The next position that I wanted to talk about that was on the list of meme coins is SNEC. This is a Cardano meme coin that a lot of people have had a ton of thoughts about that this was going to run. It has 95% of the supply that is out there, meaning they have no dilution. Currently sitting at $72 million, $72.8 million market cap, meaning it has so much more upside as a meme coin play if it is going to be the meme coin of the Cardano chain. It does have 18 different places to where you can purchase it, Bitmart being included. You're also looking at Gate.io and other places that you can purchase this position. So it's definitely a play that I've seen that really hasn't been like truly at the like a front runner as a huge meme coin, but I believe definitely has a lot of upside to it. And there's a lot of other people that believe the same thing. I mean, when you see something that has 95% of the supply that's out there, it's a Cardano meme coin. It's something that has a lot of different, markets that's available on. And if you go and, type something on Twitter, you'll get a decent amount of feedback from it, means that it does have a lot of popularity. So definitely check that out. It is only seeing $2 million worth of volume, but I think that will change as you see more markets that come available. Another position that I've seen recently that was pretty interesting was dog with hat, right? Dog with hat. I'm like, where did this come from, right? It's a Solana meme coin. And like I said, Solana meme coins are it right now. It has all of the supply that is in circulation. You're seeing $41 million worth of volume, a $341 million market cap. And you have different places to where you can buy it, 55 different places to where you can purchase it, showing a lot of strength, a lot of push to this. You can get this on Jupiter, you can get this on crypto.com, you can get it on MEXC, Gate.io, BingX, and all these different places. So it shows the level of popularity that it can have. And again, With is going crazy even on Twitter as you do type different information about it and how it's moving. I don't want to invest into it now because I mean it's currently at a $341 million market cap, which I feel like it has so much more upside. It's just I have a lot of meme coin plays that I have at a lower market cap, as well as one or two that I have at higher market cap. So I'm not really investing into any more, but I do think that it's something that you need to watch as a Solana meme coin. Um, Speaking of more Solana meme coins, I feel like Myro is definitely one that has been moving quite a bit, and people have been talking about this within the HD Access Patreon, and it's currently sitting at a $207 million market cap. It is down 7% on the day. But we are seeing it kind of climb right now, and I guess it's starting to fall back a little bit. If I move my head, it's starting to fall back a little bit. You are seeing 94% of the supply that's out there. Again, Solana meme coin shows a lot of strength. Let me actually go back. I don't know why it automatically clicked on that for a feed, but let me go to the markets, and you're gonna see 34 different markets is available. And I think that all the ones that I did mention here, they have a lot of upside to them. And I think the meme coin space is still going to be worth quite a bit. I know there's a lot of people that don't see value in meme coins, but I definitely see a ton of value in meme coins. And the reason why is because it brings newer investors into the market, people that don't really understand crypto, into cryptocurrency, to now start to research a lot more cryptocurrency based on utility. And I've seen it time and time again. There's someone will come in and say, hey, I got into this position. I saw your Grock video, and that's the first time I invested into cryptocurrency. Or I saw your whatever video, and it's the first time I invested, and now I'm investing into this, and this. And a lot of them are like, I'm investing into Bitcoin. I'm putting things into Ethereum. I'm putting things into Solana, and different utility plays, because they've researched a lot more. And it's honestly just amazing to see the level of effort that people will take in order to learn about a market that they weren't even interested in until they invested into a meme coin. So it's kind of eye-opening, and I love it. Meme coin market is worth $21.5 billion right now, and I think it'll be worth way more than that, hundreds of billions of dollars by the time things are all said and done, maybe even $1 trillion. We'll see. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my Patreon down below, as well as the link for Margex if you want to sign up for it. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.